think I'm gonna cry. Bye-bye, love. Bye-bye, sweet caress. Hello, emptiness. Feel like I could die. Bye-bye, my love, goodbye. There goes my baby with someone new. She sure looks happy, I sure am blue. She was my baby till he stepped in. Goodbye to romance that might have been. Bye-bye, love. Bye-bye, happiness. Hello, loneliness. Think I'm gonna cry. Bye-bye, love. Bye-bye, sweet caress. Hello, emptiness. Feel like I could die. Bye-bye, my love, goodbye. I'm through with romance. I'm through with love. I'm through with counting the stars above. And here's the reason that I'm so free. My loving baby is through with me. Bye-bye, love. Bye-bye, happiness. Hello, loneliness. Think I'm gonna cry. Bye-bye, love. Bye-bye, sweet caress. Hello, emptiness. Feel like I could die. Bye-bye, my love, goodbye. Bye-bye, my love, goodbye. Bye-bye, my love, goodbye. Hey folks, it's been a tragic, sad week with the passing of Don Everly, so I wanted to post this lesson to celebrate Don Everly's life, of course, of the Everly Brothers. Bye Bye Love, one of their first hit records, I think from 1957 or thereabouts. What a great track, and of course, I have a Beatles channel, and you know the Beatles were so inspired and influenced by the Everly Brothers, their harmonies, their music, so I thought it was very appropriate to post this. So just wanted to put something out there quick, and I just love this song. This is a great song, beginner level guitar song, fun song to play, fun song to sing. People love to sing along. I feel like you were singing along when I was playing that. It's a sing-along type of song. So let's celebrate Don Everly with Bye Bye Love. Just a quick guitar lesson. I have the guitar in standard tuning. There's no capo. When I listen to the original, it's slightly off tune, but I think this is what they're playing. I'm going to play basically in G or C, really. So let me just start the introduction. I'm going to start with a G. It's a G to a B flat, C, back to G. So that's the introduction. So G, B flat, C, G. But now we're in the Bye Bye Love. It's a C, Bye Bye G, C, hello G. I think I'm D7 back to G. So C, Bye Bye Love to G. C, Bye Bye Sweet Caress back to G. C, hello emptiness G. I feel like G to D7 I could die. Same thing, G, B7, goodbye. Then there's a hard stop. There goes my baby with someone new. So there goes my baby. I'm going to play a D7, and then I'm going to add the F sharp bass if you want. With someone new, G. She sure looks D7th again. I sure am G. If you want to add a G7th, I like. She was my baby, C, till he stepped in, D. Goodbye to romance, hold the D. That might have been G, G7, and then you're back. Bye bye love, bye bye happiness. Hello loneliness, I think I'm gonna cry. Bye bye love, bye bye sweet caress. Hello emptiness, I feel like I could die. Bye bye love, goodbye. So that's it, folks. That's my quick tribute to Don Everly of the Everly Brothers. Bye bye, love. Again, so sad that we lost him. We also lost Charlie Watts this week, so it's been a tough week for rock stars and musicians. But again, let's celebrate their life and let's be thankful for all the gifts they've given all of us. So thank you all, folks. Really appreciate you watching. I'll be back to my Beatle lessons, my solo Beatle lessons, my Beatle-related lessons in the near future. Take care. Bye.